Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day and your summer's been going terrific. Today I have something very exciting to share with you, but let me start out by saying, first of all, I thought as I got older that life would become easier, but in fact, it seems to have been quite the opposite lately. I just feel like the older I get, the more there is to do, the more responsibility I have between my mom who's getting older, my kids who are in their 20s, I have my 3 dogs, sometimes my daughter's cat, and the last thing I really want to do is add more to my plate by having household chores. I would rather spend any free time I have enjoying my life, spending quality time with people I love, working out. In any case, I've been looking for ways to save me time around the house. And today I wanted to share with you something I've been using that has been a game changer for me. It is the WINBOT W3 Omni. I have it right here from ECOVACS. This is a window cleaning machine. It is so efficient and it works so well. And I'll take you in a minute to look at the very large windows I have in my home, which have been very challenging to get cleaned. But I was hoping to share this with you today for any of you who hate cleaning windows, hate household chores, would rather spend time doing the things you enjoy, because maybe it's something that would help you too. So let's get started and take a closer look. So as you can see, I have a very high ceiling with extremely high windows in my home, and I want to show you through a before and after what a difference the WINBOT W3 made on how clean they look. Take a look. So I'm going to take it over to my sliding glass door. Before I get into the details, I want to give you a quick little overview. You can see it's not too heavy to carry. And let's take a quick look. So we have our handle. You can see it's very portable. If I turn it around, here is where all the magic happens. So this is the actual cleaning robot. And you can see it's just stored through a little hook right here, super easy. So it's very compact. On the back of the robot are the cleaning pads. So I was using this and I have to give it a rewash, but rewashing it is very easy. Basically, you just put it into the back of the robot and you press the functionality to wet the pads, and it will wet them and it will clean them so you don't have to do anything. So it's as easy as that, and then it's super simple to just take this off and you can snap it right back in. I also want to show you in the back of the base station, there's a little compartment that opens up, and we have a safety tether here, which I will demonstrate shortly. And then we also have the power cord. So the beautiful thing about this is that you don't need to plug it in. It has an operational battery in here that automatically recharges when it's plugged in, but you get a very long battery life, so you can move it anywhere in your house and it doesn't have to necessarily be by an outlet, so that's wonderful. It also comes with another battery that you can attach on, which gives it a longer battery life. You don't need to necessarily use this, but it's an option. And then on the top, there are 2 water tanks. So this is the dirty water tank, and then we have the clean water tank here, and we're just going to simply open it and we can fill it with tap water. Just regular water is fine. I have filled it already, so I'm going to put it back in. You can also download the ECOVACS app and control all the functionality directly on the app, or it's very easy to use. You can see the buttons on the top of the power station. It will walk you through the setup. I'm not a huge technology person. It was very easy for me to set up. This is the cleaning solution. This just helps to get everything super sparkly and clean. It just gets filled up right in the base of the robot up until the fill line. And then you just close that and you are all set to go. That's it. It's very simple. So I'm going to turn it on and show you how easy it is to use. There's just this little on button. It will talk to you. I love that.
Thank you for choosing the ECOVACS robot. Before you start, please wet the wiping pad before installation.
We did that already. We put it in the machine. Now we're just gonna press the power button on the robot itself. You're gonna hear a little fan, which means it's activating it. I can feel the breeze on the bottom. And then I'm going to put it on the window.
Firmly attached. Start girl.
It said it was attached and it's gonna start doing its job. And check this out. I was really impressed by how easily the WinBot W3 Omni removed this stubborn stain. I didn't have to scrub or go back over it. It just took care of it for me. And instead of moving around randomly, it actually follows a precise cleaning path across the glass to make sure every section gets cleaned. I love that it works so methodically because it gives me confidence that it's not missing any spots. How amazing is that? So now I'll show you how easy it is to take it off. We're just gonna hold the strap, press the button. It told me it will detach, and I just took it off, simple as that. You can also control the functionality through the app. I'm just showing you manually. I also wanna show you something really cool. It's the retractable cord system. So you can see this is really long. I can use this, as I mentioned, on the larger windows in my living room. But when I'm done, I can just press this little button and it automatically retracts it. I don't have to do a thing. And we're gonna take the robot and we're gonna put it back in its storage space on the back of the base unit. The triple nozzle spray system helps loosen dirt and grime before the cleaning pad wipes it away, giving you a streak-free finish. Another thing I notice is how well it cleans right up to the edges, which are often the hardest areas to reach when you're cleaning windows by hand. I just love that. It's also more versatile than I expected. I've used it on mirrors, bathroom glass, and other smooth surfaces around the house, so it's not limited to just exterior windows. And the built-in safety system gives me peace of mind while it's working. You can see how securely it stays attached throughout the cleaning process. Honestly, that's what I appreciate most. Not having cleaner windows, having one less thing to think about. So you guys, you can see why I just absolutely love my WinBot W3 Omni by ECOVACS. It has really made my life so much easier. I can now enjoy things that I want to do instead of having to worry about yet another chore in my house. And let's face it, I've hired professional window cleaners in the past. They're really expensive, and then I have to be home to supervise it. So this is so much easier, and I just really also love having access to it at home when I have guests over, because it's not overly complicated and I can just set it up. It does its job, sometimes even while I'm cooking for a dinner party. ECOVACS is the #1 robot window cleaning brand in the world. I can totally see why. If any of you think you would be interested in learning more about it, I'll go ahead and I'll put a link in my description for you. Please also share the video if you know anybody else who would love this. It's such a great investment. I'm so happy that I found it. And if you have any questions,